Introducing the premium tuning fork set of 8 by HasniSurgical, a precision-engineered collection of high-quality aluminum tuning forks designed for medical, audiology, educational, and therapeutic applications. Each tuning fork is crafted from durable, non-magnetic aluminum alloy, producing clear, consistent, and long-lasting vibrations for accurate testing and sound therapy. This set includes 8 different frequencies, allowing versatility in neurological, hearing, and vibration sensitivity assessments, as well as sound healing and musical training. Lightweight yet robust, these forks feature smooth, well-balanced handles for comfortable use and precise resonance. Ideal for clinicians, therapists, educators, and students, this tuning fork set is an essential tool for both professional and educational environments. Uses: used in medical diagnostics, such as hearing and vibration sensitivity tests. Suitable for sound therapy, healing, and relaxation practices. Ideal for educational and musical training. Designed for clear tonal accuracy and reliable performance.